Making cheese?
You tired? You being a good girl. Hi, Sydney.
Happy to be home.
Hi, Sydney. Do you have fun at Grandma's house? You happy to be home with Mommy and Daddy? Uh-oh. You making a BM? It's almost bath time. Say hi to Grandma. Hi, Grandma Margaret. Hi. Say hi, Felice. Hi, Felice. Say hi. You're always looking upset. Okay, we're gonna do bath time now. Give them a kiss. Kiss. Mwah.